Just thought I'd put a little before and after video. I found the video of the first time I looked at the Galaxie when I made the purchase agreement, and then made one right now kind of similar to it. And I ordered a little something for the Galaxie. It costs a couple $100. When it comes in, I'll install it and you'll see it. It'll spruce up the car a little bit. There's one area I didn't, really do the sprucing, which is the trunk. I actually ordered the trunk mats and stuff for it. Anyway, here's the original video and then the new video I just made. So.
I'd like to find an old Bronco, the older little ones. Because I would restore it and make it my everyday driver and drive it.
They actually pull in pretty good money.
Oh, they're pulling big though. I had somebody wanted to trade me a 60-something international pickup truck, like a Scout. I wasn't interested in it.
Yeah, the little spot in the seat right there.
That's
the only thing I see.
And that can be sold.
And the dash has the padded dash.
The dash needs to be replaced. You can't do nothing with that.
And the convertible top, obviously.
Yeah. Drive it in the summer, you don't have to put a top on it right away.
Yeah, a little different now, that's for sure. Sorry, the finger in here too, again, like in the original video. A little before and after. Well, I hope this video it was good for you. I had about 4 or 5 days where I was kind of really feeling bad. I ended up in the emergency room. Turns out this tooth, that one right there, has a root canal and a crown, and the tooth under the crown is failing. I've known that for a couple of years now. About 4 years actually. Anyway, it was really hurting and it was giving me a massive headache, and all I was doing was sleeping or throwing up from the bad headache. And I went to the emergency. They gave me some antibiotics and some Motrin, prescription Motrin, and I'm feeling pretty good today. Friday I'm going to go to the dentist and hopefully they pull a tooth, so next video you may see me without this tooth. I've been trying to get my brother to get the battery in the Chevy and get it going for me, but every time he says, all right, I'll come down and do it, I'm like, the first time I was like sick, and then the second time was the morning I went to the emergency. And I was all dizzy and lightheaded and been throwing up and was really in pretty rough shape, but I'm doing pretty good now, so hopefully we'll get that tooth out. This is unrelated to my prostate surgery. We get that tooth out, and then I'm going to just have a partial denture made, because in the past I just have an implant or something, but every root canal I have has failed. So that one lasted probably a month. That one lasted probably 5 years, and the one behind it lasted maybe 2 or 3 years. This one's lasted the longest. That one's lasted maybe 15, 18 years. but like I say, the tooth is rotten under the crown, so it's going to have to come out, and then it'll be a while. You know, it'll have to heal up before they can make a bridge. But anyway, we'll get the Chevy out one day soon here. I'll make a video of doing that. And it's supposed to be in the 80s this coming weekend. Hopefully I feel good enough to drive. Right now I don't. Still a little kind of lightheaded still. But doing all right. I've lost 17 pounds now. I still want to lose another probably 35. And but I'm doing okay today. I got out in the garage and made me feel better. But anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, you can hit that 348 engine that's in the Bel Air and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video.